Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Zero Travel Cube. And what's cool about the Travel Cube, it comes with an 18-watt wall charger and a USB-A to USB-C cable. This works in conjunction with, sold separately by Zero, it's the mobile battery. It's got magnets and it charges with Pogo Pins. And there you can see it's charging right now. And that this is the battery in the Travel Cube is being used, so it's medium charge right now. Green means it's fully charged, yellow is medium, and red means it's almost dead. Has a USB-C port right here, and this is where you charge this to charge these. You can put two QI charging pads on it at any given time, and then they simply just come right off. Very strong magnets, and then you can use this with your phone with wireless QI charging. This is not MagSafe, so you can use it with any phone that has QI. So you just turn on the pad right there. We have an iPhone 10, and you just set it right on top, and it starts charging immediately. So we'll show that one more time. Right here, not charging and charging. So it works really well, and it's a multiple charging system. The Pogo Pins offer a faster charging for the battery that comes from Zero, this device here. This is sold separately. So you get everything you see here, and it works with any Android or iPhone that has QI wireless charging at 5 watts, just like the Apple battery that is wireless as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.